Thanks, Chair Merida. Thank you, Chair Franco. Good morning, everyone. I'm Congresswoman Shontel Brown of Ohio's 11th Congressional District, and I just want to let folks know that I am the daughter of parents who are seniors. I am the proud aunt of 6, a great aunt of 2. My siblings, one has a child care center and one is an aspiring entrepreneur, but also a labor union worker. I say all that because I think it's important to know who we are and how these policies are impacting people across the country. I am proud to be here with my Women's Caucus colleagues to call out Donald Trump and Elon Musk and their all-out assault on women and families across America. So what's really going on here? They claim that all of this chaos and confusion is about finding waste, fraud, and abuse. Elon Musk isn't finding waste. He's blocking spending he doesn't personally agree with. Elon Musk isn't finding fraud. He is recklessly assessing sensitive payment systems and our personal data. Elon Musk isn't finding abuse. He's blatantly breaking laws with no transparency or accountability, and dare I would say he is acting out abuse. So this really isn't about waste, fraud, and abuse, is it? How do I know for sure? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because when we tried to subpoena Musk this week, Republicans on the Oversight Committee blocked it. Now, why don't they want us to hear about all the great things he's doing? Because this is a power grab, and I am especially worried about what it means for communities like mine. In my district, 21%, that's 1 in 5. 21% of people live below the poverty line, including 30% of children. But it's not just them. It's hardworking families, single moms, and seniors who are struggling to keep up with rising costs. These are people who will be hurt the most if Republicans slash programs to keep up with rising costs. These are the people who will be hurt the most. They don't see Medicaid and Medicare as waste. They see them as lifelines. They don't see funding for early childhood education and kids with disabilities as fraud. They see them as essential. And they don't see meal programs like SNAP and school lunches as abuse. They see them as a hand up. But it's not just about the big safety net programs. Last week, I visited the Cleveland Rape Crisis Center in Glenville, a neighborhood that is 90% Black. This center has long received federal funds to protect survivors, including victims of human trafficking. So the center has made sure their services can be responsive to their needs as well as the needs of human trafficking survivors. What's going to happen to their funding? These are real people we're talking about. But rest assured, the women you see here, we are going to fight this agenda, bill by bill, amendment by amendment, order by order, to stop Republicans from cutting taxes for the rich while sticking it to working families and women and children to pay the bill. And I'm going to keep fighting for Northeast Ohio and places just like it. So with that, I'd like to thank Teresa for organizing this again, and I'd like to turn it over to our DWC Policy Task Force co-chair, from the gentle lady from North Carolina, Deborah Ross.